I have come to take my son.
Igwe. And no jokes.
Jidofo, don't you think you are trying to start a war that you will not be able to finish?
Just go in and bring my grandchild. That is the only business I have with you.
Now you listen, oh no, whatever you call yourself. If you don't get out of this compound right now, I'll so beat you. I'll so beat you to the point that you'll go 6 feet below. Trust me on that one.
Hey, just shut up. Just shut up. I heard you slapped my father and you have the gut to talk, right? Anyway, I'll come to that.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.